What's up, guys? It's the one, aka Curly Guy here, and I am back with another video. And as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite summer curly hairstyles, featuring Uncle Funky's daughter's products. Let me just go ahead and disclose that this video is sponsored by Uncle Funky's daughter, but you guys know I've been working with them for a long time. I've done several collaborations with them, so obviously I do love the products, and also even when I'm not working with them, I still use their products. You guys have seen me use their products even before I ever collab with them. So I really do love their products, and I just want to share them with you all. So yeah, I'm not gonna, ramble and go on. I'm just gonna jump right into this tutorial, but let me just go ahead and let you guys know what I've done. So what I've done already in the video that you'll see once it starts, once we get to that point, I have already deep conditioned my hair with a Heal and Renew Repair Mask. Now I do things out of sequence sometimes, call me a rebel if you want, but I did go ahead and use this to deep condition my hair. I applied this to damp hair, like old, dry, crusty, damp hair. And then I just let that stay on my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I shampooed it out using the Rich and Funky Moisturizing Cleanser. I really love this cleanser because one thing that I noticed about this is it does clarify my hair, but it does not strip my hair. And usually when you have a shampoo that's like a clear color, it is typically more clarifying and drying, but this one is not that. That's why I really enjoy using this. Then I went in right after that with the Richie Rich Hydrating Conditioner, and this is one of my favorite products in their line. I go through this stuff like it's nobody's business, and a little bit of it goes a long way, but I just use it so frequently, and I use it for multiple different things, as you guys would probably see in the video. But yes, I just went in with this, detangled my hair, let it sit in for about 5 minutes, and then rinsed it out. But I didn't rinse it out completely. And then I got out and proceeded to go ahead and style my hair. So you guys will see all of that in the next clip. So if you want to see how I got to this look that I have right now, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm freshly out of the shower, and I've already explained in the previous clip everything that I've done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I've already sectioned off my hair into the 4 sections, and this is gonna be where my braids are. But what I've done, I went on and rinsed out the conditioner. I didn't rinse it completely out, and I'm also going to add a little bit more. This is the Richie Rich Hydrating Conditioner. I like to add a little bit of this back into my hair. This is not a leave-in conditioner, but I like to leave it in. Yeah, I like the way it feels. I like the way it smells. I do feel like it adds a little bit of extra moisture, and it puts a barrier between my hair and the Curly Magic. Even though the Curly Magic is not like your typical gel, it's not like an eco styler or a wet line, so it's not gonna leave your hair, feeling nasty and crunchy. My mirror's over here, by the way. It's not gonna leave your hair feeling bad, but I like to put a barrier between my hair. Usually, if I'm doing a wash and go, I will use it alone. When I rinse out this conditioner, I will actually leave a little bit of it in, but I don't add any back in. But since this is kind of a protective style, but not really, I do like to go ahead and add a little bit of extra moisture in there. And my hair has already been thoroughly detangled in the shower, so I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the Curly Magic. And let me tell you, a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. I just did 2 pumps there, but I'm going to go ahead and add that to that section, and it instantly defines the section, like immediately. So as you can see, that section is instantly defined. My hair does not feel dry, and trust me you guys, my hair was very dry prior to me washing and conditioning and deep conditioning, because I was in the pool yesterday, and it was actually a chlorine pool. It wasn't a saltwater pool. So yeah, that was not the best for my hair. But anyway, these products definitely recovered my hair, so I wasn't worried. And I also knew that I was going to be filming this, and I knew that I was going to be rescuing my hair with that good old deep conditioner, so I wasn't too alarmed. Okay guys, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that on the other side, and then I'll be back when I'm getting ready to do my braids. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, all the product is applied. Let me turn around. So that's pretty much what my hair looks like right now. All I'm going to do is put it up. I like to do this, just put my hair up like this to just let it set, let my hair absorb the products, and it kind of sets a little bit better before I let it down and finish air drying. One thing I love about this Curly Magic is it dries so fast. Like my hair usually takes a long time to dry, but this dries so fast just air drying. So I love that. Now I did let you guys in on a little jewel. I did. Putting a little bit of the conditioner back in, the rinse out conditioner, putting a little bit of that back in, and then putting your Curly Magic on top of it. You can thank me later. That's all I'm saying. But so now that that's done, I'm gonna move on to my braids. So this is really what makes it a style, because other than that, it would just be a wash and go, you know? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. And you can part this how you want it. It really just depends on what you want yours to look like. I just tend to do like 2 diagonals. And then I try to make sure the parts are straight. So let me clean that up a little bit. Yeah, so that works good. I try to just do pretty equal sections. I'm not super pressed about it, but I do want them to be, you know, at least siblings, if not twins. Okay, and so for this section, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to apply a little bit of that rinse out conditioner, the Richie Rich rinse out conditioner. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that. And what this does for me is it just really locks in the moisture. And yes, they do have like a super curl, super cream kind of situation, like a leave-in. But I find that I just really like the texture of this, and I like the smell of it. The other product, their leave-in, it smells like bananas, which I also enjoy. But I really like to keep it simple in the summertime. If I can just use the same 2 or 3 products to get the style, then I will do that. And I've literally been using this Uncle Funky's daughter. I've been using these products consistently for the last month. Literally ever since the summer hit, this is the products that I reach for. So anyway, now that I have that section out, I'm going to go ahead and just briefly detangle. It already should be detangled, but I'm just going to run it through. And then I'm going to add just 1 pump. Like a little bit of this goes a long way. And this is really just to smooth things and set the actual braid. I don't really need it to hold for like curl definition because it is a braid. But I just like that it sets it in place so it doesn't really move and it stays exactly how I put it. And then I'm just gonna section out a little piece. And this is the most in-depth part. I don't know, a lot of people struggle with cornrolling their own hair. It's just practice. It really is just practice. And these braids actually don't have to be perfect. Because what I do is throughout the week or however long I leave this in, I will just take the braids out, redo them, spray a little bit of the thirsty curls in there, in the hair in the back just to refresh things. But I'll redo those at any given time if I feel like they need to be refreshed or if I feel like I need to add some moisture to the hair. So I don't waste a whole lot of time on doing these braids. I just make sure I get them in there. Once I'm to the end, I actually don't braid my hair all the way to the end because I like to have this little spiral curl on the end. I just feel like it gives it a little bit more character. So I just will put a little bit more Curly Magic on it. And you can go in whichever direction. I like to go in the direction that my hair naturally curls. My hair likes to curl towards my face. So then I just kind of do that. And that's that on that. I just move on and do the next one, which I'll show you guys right now. so those are my 2 braids for this side applied. You see they look nice and juicy and defined. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I've installed all of my braids. Everything is looking good. I'm obviously gonna lay down my edges and do maybe a little bit of baby hair situation, but this is my hair for the most part. All I'm gonna do now is go let it air dry. I typically always air dry in the summer. There really is no need to be diffusing in the summer for me and my hair texture. So So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry, and I will be back to show you guys the final results. So if you want to see that, then just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is the final result. As you can see, my hair is now, it's probably like 95% dry, but this is mostly what it'll look like for the next few days. I did go ahead and get the edges together, pull out a little bit of baby hair just to make things look a little bit more polished and finessed. But this is it. I love how my hair looks. And I have done this style quite a few times here lately, literally using these exact same products. I think one time I used the wet line gel, and I actually did not like it as much because I wasn't able to get this volume. That's another thing I really love about the Curly Magic. You can get a lot of volume on day one, because while it does give you a significant amount of hold, it is not like crunchy. It doesn't get crunchy or hard, especially if you put a conditioner under it. If you put a leave-in or a conditioner under it, it will not get crunchy, and you can still get a lot of volume. As you can see, I have a lot of volume. This looks like day 2, day 3 hair, but this is day 1. And I'm living for these results. So you can definitely use my coupon code. I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning of this video, but it's definitely, this video is sponsored by Uncle Funky's daughter. You guys know I have a long-standing relationship with them. So this is not for the money, it's for the tea. Okay, I love their products, and I continue to use them. That's why I continue to work with them. And I have done so for some time now. But yeah, you can definitely use my coupon code CurlyGuy13. And get you some money off if you shop these products on their website. Let me just say, if you follow me on Instagram, yes, I did get my Instagram back. I'm still working through a few kinks, but if you do follow me on Instagram and you stuck around, you've probably already seen this style. So I'm just showing you here the full tutorial of how I got this style, and then there will be a Instagram video coming up to also show you like a little quick version of this style. But yeah, I love it. I love how my hair looks. My hair is soft, it's moisturized, and this is how I wear my hair to work. I wear my hair to work like this pretty much all week, and then I'll refresh it if I need to, which probably will be a video that I'll be showing you guys in the near future also. So if you want to see that, then just stay around. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Uncle Funky's daughter, for sponsoring this video and keeping the lights on, because these lights do cost money. And just remember, guys, if you can't keep it curly, keep it classy. Bye, guys. I'll see you in my next one.